Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to grow your Instagram theme page from scratch as quickly as possible. First, find a niche you're interested in and create a business Instagram account so you can check the insights. Next, write a bio that describes your profile and what you're doing there. For instance, if you have a theme page about motorcycles, you can tell people that you post motorcycle videos every day. There are plenty of videos on YouTube to help you write a nice bio, so I won't go into detail here. The second step is to post at least 20-25 posts before sharing other people's content. If you post their photos on an empty account, it looks weird and they may not like it. You can find free copyright professional photos on Pixabay, Pexels, or Unsplash. Remember, you own a theme page, so your photos must have a consistent look. The third step is to follow hashtags and pages that are similar to your page so you can help the algorithm and find the followers you're looking for. The fourth step is to start sharing other people's content, but don't forget to tag them in your description and on the photo or video. I prefer to post Reels because Instagram is trying to compete with TikTok, so they push the Reels, and your video can go viral faster. It's okay to post photos, but I would recommend adding some music to make it look like a reel. Don't forget to use hashtags on your posts. Use at least 15 hashtags that are relevant to your post. I've already created 2 Instagram accounts, one with 35k followers and the other with 25k. I believe it's all about the timing of your posts and a bit of luck. I don't believe that hashtags alone will make your content go viral. You must be in the right place at the right time. Keep posting only good, high-quality content that encourages the crowd to share your post. This is crucial if you want to go viral and show up on the Explore page. Once this happens, and trust me, it will, keep posting more quality content so everyone can see it and follow you. If you can't find anything good to post, it's better not to post at all. Remember, quality over quantity. 3 of my videos that went viral were enough to make my Instagram page explode and grow fast. The 5th step is to follow people, at least in the beginning. I know you prefer to have only followers, but this won't help you grow fast. Don't follow too many people at once, as Instagram may block you. Try to follow about 5-8 people every hour. I used to follow people after I posted, so they might check out my profile and like my recent posts, giving me more exposure. Please don't follow random people. Go to a theme page that's similar to yours and check who liked the last post. Try to follow people who have a profile picture similar to your page. For instance, if your Instagram page is about motorcycles, follow guys with motorcycle profile pictures, and so on. Follow these steps every day, and you'll see great results very soon. Don't get bored with posting. It only takes 2 minutes. You can use repost app tools to do it faster, but make sure to edit the description. You can use captions like dope or nope, yes or no. Rate this from 1 to 10, etc. to engage people with your post. This will help the algorithm push you up. Remember, it's one day or day one. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.